Someone here, tahimik lang, quiet, Three of Cups energy. Something smelly. Anong klaseng smell yan, miss yan? Well, amoy mabango. Ayan, baka mabango talaga siya or kapagka or alam mo yung perfume niya, alam mo yung cologne niya, 'no? Yung parang 'pag, naamoy mo, ay, alam mong siya yun. Yan, Yeah, maybe this person here, meron siya ditong perfume na isa lang yung ginagamit ta's alam mo na siya yun, okey? Parang yung kunwari may gano'ng amoy, alam mo na agad na siya yun, 'no? Or maybe, okay, because there's this also another energy about that, 'no? Maybe this person here is mabango, okay? Mabango yung pagkatao, yan, Ay, gusto ko yan, okey. Alamin pa natin more. Kasi 'di ba nung nakaraan pinag-uusapan natin ang baho. I love it na mabango naman ngayon, 'no? Oh, someone's from behind you. Someone's looking at you, but it looks like hindi mo 'to nano-notice or napapansin because you're facing sa ibang direction. But it looks like kung sino man 'tong energy na ito na mga nape-pick up ko dito from you guys, 'no? I do see that you are a very loving person and you are someone, 'no, na very understanding and okay, mamaya na yung sunod. Pabitin yung reader. Okay, now we've got the 7. Oh, 7 right in here. It looks like may manifest rito, no? Angel number 77 ang ating nakikita from here. And it looks like, no, with the angel number 77, okay, there's a manifestation na mangyayari dito. You know? And I think it has something to do with love, okay? Something to do with the love life area. So we've got the Eight of Wands as the center of the reading. Oh, I see. Okay. You know, Lover's card energy. Bottom of the deck, Three of Coins, Six of Coins. Whoa. Wow. So, before we dive more sa inyong reading, let me just make bate everyone first. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Eastern buyers ko dyan. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi nyo pa alam, mayroon pa tayong other channel. Link kay down below sa ating description box. So, if interesado, just click that link para kayo mapunta there. And araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. No? At yun yung ating main channel. Maliban sa mga collective readings, meron din tayong reading per zodiac sign na matatagpuan nyo rin there. At yun nga, wala tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Possible mag-switch ang mga roles. Kaya just take only what resonates. And of course, timeless tayo dito. Pwedeng nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na ngayon, sa iba ay hindi pa at mangyayari pa lamang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. So, sa nakikita natin dito, babes, you are appearing as the Queen of Cups energy, no? And the King of Coins is right behind you. The King of Coins is someone right in here who holds up a magandang posisyon sa kanyang trabaho. Yung iba naman, papunta siya doon. Nakikita natin dito that this person right in here is possible na may permanente or stable work, no? Stable na pagkukunan rito ng money. Others of them already successful. Others could be starting or beginning pa lang to feel the success but definitely papunta sa energy ng magiging matagumpay sa kaperahan. Others, maaring ang evident or clue talaga rito for others of you ay possible boss ninyo yung kakonek ninyo, pero yung iba doesn't have to be na boss ninyo, no? Possible na may mataas rito na posisyon sa pinagtatabahuhan mo. Okay, something to do with katrabaho, no, or whatsoever. But for others, if this is not a katrabaho right in here, definitely wants to work things with you know. So with the Queen of Cups energy, it looks like you're focused right in here, taking care of the people you love around you, like your family, providing the needs ng yung family right in here, no? And also looking up rito sa yung mga friends. You are such a very loving individual, someone who is very concerned sa mga people around you, especially those na mga kaklose mo rito. You are someone right here, no, na busy rito, no, sa iyo ritong personal life, no? So I do see that this is you. You are not noticing that this king, okay, at wala tayo ditong gender ha, okay, that this person right in here, no, is looking at you. Okay? Lumalabas dito that this person is not searching or looking for love. You know? But this is something here na nakikita natin na itong person na to, with this seven of wands energy and there's this seven of swords, okay, ang main priority niya, which is right now, no, ay ang mag-ipon or magpayabong ng kanyang kaperahan, no? So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, ang main goal niya rito at main priority niya is kanya ritong work or business kung meron, yung career, 'no? And this person right in here is someone na posibleng katrabaho mo or kasamahan mo sa work, 'no? This person right in here 'no, nakikita natin dito na hindi naman niya hate yung love, okay? It's just that hindi yun yung priority niya right now, okay? But this person right in here, okay, makikita niya rito ang potential mo bilang future spouse, no? While you work with this person will eventually see it, no? Slowly but surely, no? Na, yeah, this might start something like platonic lang. Like, katrabaho mo lang siya, boss mo lang siya, kasamahan mo lang siya sa work, superior mo lang siya, no? Or kung sino man ito, katrabaho mo lang siya. Or yung iba naman, baka kaibigan nyo to. Basta someone who wants to work things out with you, no? Yung friend mo na may magandang trabaho, yung alam mo yung masipag, no? Responsable, ano, marunong mag-ipon ng pera, marunong rin ditong mag-manage ng sariling pinansyal. Okay? Someone na hindi gastador or gastadora, no? Someone rito, no? Na nakita rin natin na pagdating sa emotions and feelings, the King of Pentacles, no? Energy yan ng mga taong tapat kung umibig. Yun, no? Babae, lalaki, faithful yan, mga mahal, no? LGBT. Okay? Faithful yan. Kung sino man yung energy na yan na nakakapansin or mapapansin pa lamang kayo, magtutuloy-tuloy ito. Eight of Wands energy. Okay? So, maaaring magsimula sa paghanga or crush itong bagay na ito at madedevelop na lamang, no? Nine of Wands energy, alam niya, no, na siya ay medyo mahirap ritong paibigin at may pagkapiki. Yan. Pihikan siya. Pero, mapapansin ka niya, no? So, kung sino man 'tong taray, mapapansin ka. You know? Kaya naman kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to mga babes, this person right in here, no? Okay, maaaring sa work, no, work lang talaga yung magiging unang usapan ninyo, no, pero ito ay unti-unting magbabago dahil itong tao na 'to, no, alam mo yung energy mga babes, no, na I didn't know I was looking for love until I found you. Diba? So, kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to 'no, hindi niya alam rito 'no, kasi ang alam niya lang dito bahay, work, repeat. Bahay, trabaho lang, yun lang 'no. Okay, pero kung sino man siya dito mga babes 'no, this person right in here is someone na nakikita ko ditong makikita niya 'no, slowly but surely yung potential mo rito. Okay? Puwedeng mag-start ito sa mga papansin niya, makaka-receive ka ng compliment sa kanya about work na parang, "Good job, ang galing mo dito sa ginawa mo, ipagpatuloy mo lang 'to." You know? So, while this continues, okay, you are impressing, yes, 'no, nai-impress mo siya rito 'no, without you even knowing na nai-impress mo siya. Okay? That's why this person here, you will sway and steer his or her emotions and feelings, no? And yun yung magsa-sprout or yun yung parang alam mo emceeing a munggo, 'di ba? Yung munggo 'di ba kapagka yun ay talaga naman 'no, na natubigan mo mga babes 'no, okey, kahit hindi mo yun lagay sa lupa tumutubo 'di ba? So, kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to 'no, this is something here that will grow 'no, each time habang umaandar ang mga araw 'no, palaki ng palaki rito yung kanyang magiging paghanga sa'yo 'no. At itong tao na 'to ay nakikita natin dito na gagawa at gagawa ng paraan. Pagkilos ito, magtutuloy-tuloy ito 'no. Eight of Wands energy. May energy rin siya dito na posibleng ang kanyang work ay nagta-travel siya, okey. Puwedeng uma-attend ng mga seminars, conferences din. Pero nakikita natin dito 'no, that when this person here is away, this person here will miss you. Yung kunwari wala siya sa office today 'no, pero nami-miss ka niya, nasa biyahe siya, nasa flight siya 'no, or may business trip or whatsoever 'no, this person here mami-miss ka niya 'no, and that will be something here na posibleng maging, um, way 'no, para mas ma-realize niya dito na may feelings na siya for you kasi mami-miss niya yung presence mo. Parang may energy siya ritong palagi siyang wala sa work. I don't know kung yung work niya ba rito has something to do with field work, yung laging nasa labas 'no, yung hindi nasa office. But, just take how this resonates. Puwede rin namang nasa office pero, ah, siya yung lumalabas or siya yung laging uma-attend ng mga gano'n, seminar, conference, special event 'no, related sa work or company. May gano'ng klase ng energy. So, whatever the case may be, kahit hindi yun yung reason kung bakit siya out of office 'no, puwede rin naman na kapag siya ay nasa bahay lang 'no, or meron siya ritong, day off or kung siya man ay absent 'no, mami-miss niya yung presence mo. Yun 'no, spell presence. Biglang naging spelling bee. So we have here this Ace of Wands energy, Chariot, and the Lovers. Walang duda. Kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, okay, etong person na 'to na may maganda ditong trabaho or meron ditong magandang reputation sa money, this person here will be one of your choices in love. Yung iba sa inyo, ba't mo binanggit Miss yan na one of choices in love? Kasi yung iba sa inyo, may lumalabas dito na may nanliligaw sa inyo ngayon or may manliligaw sa inyo kapagka nag-express na rin ito ng feelings for you guys 'no, or may ex kayo ritong babalik. Okay, kung walang nanliligaw sa inyo, may ex kayong babalik at yun yung magiging karibal nitong person na 'to 'no. Hindi ko nakikita rito kung mahihirapan kayong pumili or whatsoever 'no, kasi more likely ang energy yung pinapakita rito ay ang energy nitong person na ito na kumo-connect sa inyo 'no, okay. Pero kung gusto ninyo talagang itawid 'no, na ito yung pipiliin, "Ay naku Miss yan, ito pipiliin ko yung sinasabi mo na yan, hindi yung ex ko." Yan 'no. Then nakikita kong maganda yung future mo. Hindi lang sa kaperahan mga babes 'no, kundi pati na rin dito sa love. Busog na busog ka dito sa love mga babes at hindi lang 'yan, puro tawa pa yung nakikita ko sa'yo dito 'no, 'yan 'no. I just heard someone laughing out loud like LOL 'no. So I do pick up that whoever it is na pipiliin niyo 'tong tao na 'to over your ex or over kung sino man yung inyo rito 'no, na isa pang option in love, definitely, okey? Walang araw na hindi ka tatawa mga babes. Oh, wow! So yeah, for the initials right here, yes, we do have may number nga din mga babes 'no, pero isa lang 'no. For the initials, nandito letter M, nandito rin ang letter R, we also have the letter L, nandito rin ang letter B as in boy, we also have here the letter J, andito rin ang letter T, and last but not the least, the letter G. And for the number, nakakita rin tayo dito mga babes ng number, nagsa-stand out number 9. This person right in here is someone 'no, na wala akong nakikita rito na flaw sa kanya rito na magiging reason kung bakit mo siya hihindian, like wala. 9, this is an energy of someone who's very independent and at the same time, this is someone here who will show a lot of effort 'no, more than you deserve. So yeah, for this message, claim, claim, claim na mga mahal. Lagi ni Miriana Ani Sara ngaya love and light. Anyang.